Little Fairy Project 2, step number 3, watering the color of your watercolor horses. The tools you'll need for this are some water and a paintbrush, and I like to have a little tissue handy also. So here's our horse that was drawn in step 1 and colored in step 2. And now we are going to add a little bit of water to our watercolor pencil. And remember, it's important to change and just wipe off your brush between dark colors and light colors. It's really hard to make the light colors or the dark colors light again. So make sure you clean off your brush often. So I just got a little bit too dark there, so I cleaned off my brush, and I'm going to first take care of the darker colors by painting in his mane black and the shadows underneath his neck and his shoulder, the front point of his shoulder, and his front back hoof is shadowed also. His back hoof is shadowed, and his back leg, and those rippling muscles on the back. And I think I'm just gonna wipe off my brush now that I've done all the black. And I'm going to move on to the lighter brown around the outsides. Remember, we're working with dimension and the effects of light. So the sun is shining from up above. So our horse is kind of shadowed on the bottom, but on the top, he's sort of lightly glistening in the sun. You can see his rippling muscles. So we're going to make sure we clean off our brush a lot and just sort of brush that watercolor nice and gently to get the effects of light, to give our horse just a little bit more dimension. Remember, we learned about dimension in project number 1 when we drew and watercolored some basic shapes. And now we are moving those shapes into kind of more real life objects here, which is our horse. Now we are going to add some effects to the grass. Isn't that amazing how the watercolor pencil just turns right into paint? We add a little bit of water. We clean off our brush one more time. And now our horse has lots of food to eat. You can almost see him smiling there. I'm just going to gently water the blue background of our sky. And I think now we are ready for finishing our art and going to step number 4. We'll see you there.